Hi girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I'm hit with a dilemma. What project do I start first? So we have project number one, the 147 GTA. This has been off the road, oh god I hate to admit it, 6 years. It developed a bad drinking habit, it developed a litre of oil every few hundred miles, and beating it up around Spa-de-Franche probably didn't help that. It's actually my wife's car. We've already removed the engine and stuff like that, and wheels are off it, brakes are off it. Yeah, we've been trying to sort this out. We're getting there. So, did we do project number one, and then we have abusing project number two, my old 325 BMW E46. This one needs the wheels going back to its actual owner. We're keeping the brake kit. It's on bags, which they need to go because I don't do bags, and it needs the facelift front end putting on it because he was going to put the M3 front on it. He's got an M3 bumper, but I don't want any of that. I just want it to go back to that, and we're going to use this for a drift slash track car slash just have fun car, more of an abusive car. So this is the abusive project. So we've got restoration, abuse, and then we've got that. We have a Mitsubishi GTO. We have a Manuel Mitsubishi GTO, and I can actually confirm this is twin turbo. So the twin turbo Manuel GTO. This belongs to a friend of mine, Craig. This went off the road shortly after the 147. So yeah, what do we do first, people? Just to add a little bit more fruit to the 147 project, this is really the one that I want to do first. I mean, it is an epic time warp inside there, because when it broke down, the timing skipped, because it had time belt tick. Timing skipped, I just parked it up, took the engine out and rebuilt it. And over here, let's move some stuff. We actually have the engine. So here is the beautiful Busso 3.2 V6. Obviously, I'm in the process of having everything powder coated and this, that and the other. I've had the centre bar done. That should have been silver, and so should have been the sump, but I only realised once I'd put them on. But it's had a new water pump, all the heads were stripped and rebuilt, new valve stem oil seals, new head gasket, I've still got a rear main oil seal to go on, all new seals. I mean, yeah, the Alfa is kind of the, it's the one for me, I think. Here you're saying, where's the rest of the Alfa? Well, it's spread across my workshop in many, many pieces. There's the gearbox. That's already got the Quaife limited slip diff in it. The lovely, slightly curbed wheels are at the back, all four. And there were the bits I couldn't fit upstairs in my storage area, but let's go and have a look. And here's a 147 GTA in bits. Calipers are in that box, if I remember correctly. Yep, there's the calipers. Got drive shafts, got the flywheel, got the manicats, airbox, plenum, skid rails, walk down pipes. What else? Oil cooler, chrome pipes, they all need to be redone. Oh god, and then this all gets all mixed up and stuff, but there is bits for the car everywhere. There's even the ECU. Can't believe I just left that like that. Tappets that have just been sitting in oil for the last 6 years. I've got brackets and stuff all ready for powder coating. I once had organisation. Then I got really busy. But for some reason, I got bloody Renault Clio with a Perspex window. I don't really know why that's there. What's behind it? Cleaning stuff, which we don't use. But yeah. So all of the bits for the Alfa are here. And the bits for the BMW, I still need to buy. Like, I need new coilovers for it. I need... Sorry, there's a sketchy. Coilovers, front end and stuff like that. So maybe we do the Alfa first. Also got 4 wheel bearings and a cam belt kit for the GTA as well. So something tells me we should be doing the GTA first. What do you think? What should we do? Let me know, because like I say, I want to start a project. Summer's coming and I haven't got a car to go and have fun in, so which one would you do? So yeah, there we have it. That's the list of projects that we could start. I think it's going to be the Alfa, but let us know. Like, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, let us know, and we'll be in touch very soon. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys.